Here's how to clean the filter on most Bosch dishwashers. You may want to wear some gloves because this can get messy. First, roll the bottom rack out and set it aside. The filter is this whole piece right here. Before removing it, turn the spray arm so it isn't blocking it. If needed, you can pop the arm out and set it aside. Notice the two triangles pointing toward each other. What you need to do is twist the cylinder counterclockwise so that the inner triangle goes at least past 6 o'clock. I went way past 6 here, but it still worked. This unlocks the filter and you can pull it straight out and take it to the sink. At this point, you can either wash the entire mechanism as is, or you can take it apart further and wash it piece by piece. To do that, first remove the outer cylinder. For mine, it just comes off when I pull down on it. I believe some models require that you twist and pull it out. To remove the inner cylinder, push in on these two tabs and pull it straight upward. So wash everything, and if residue is stuck on the metal screening, you can clean it with a soft bristle toothbrush. To reassemble it, push the inner cylinder back into place through the top, and push the outer cylinder back into place and twist if needed. You may have noticed that the hole in the bottom of the dishwasher has water in it. That is normal. It helps keep the seals moist. I advise against messing with any of it unless you see some large debris in there. If so, scoop it out with a spoon or something. There are plastic parts down in there and they can become dislodged and cause you a problem if you mess around with it too much. To put the filter back on, turn the cylinder so that the triangle is around the 4 o'clock position, and push it down into the hole. Then twist it clockwise until the arrows meet. You'll feel the filter tighten into position. That's it. Please leave a thumbs up if this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.